Tusker FC no dhi nyime gi orako motelone tugo manus fainol mar laro okombe mar FKF e kindgi kod KCB. Tugo no idhi bagi alap tuke manyayo Jumamos mano tarik 16 dweni saa 7 odiechieng'. Kaluwore gi Captain Eric Kapaito, gisetimo orako moromo kendo geno margi en chopo e fainol kendo kawo kombe no. Kapaito wacho ni gidwaro ahinya dhi chung' ne Kenya e tuke mag laro simbo mag CAF Confederation, kowacho ni mane momiyo giketo geno maduong' mar dwaro Loch e tukego. Nus fainol machielo dhi bedo e kind Police FC gi Bandari.
Tuko ready. Ukiangalia wasee wako psyched, ukiangalia wasee wako happy, ukiangalia morali iko juu, so kufocus, kuweka more effort kwa zoezi kitambo game ifike, and I believe tunafanya poa. A very important game. Ukiangalia as a team kama Tusker, we really need to win this cup, because ukiangalia ni team yenye inafaa kuwa top hapo, and also we need to represent the country uko CAF, so ni kitu tumeifikiria na ni kitu itakuwa poa sana tukishinda.
Yes, I'm injured, came back like Stephen Etiong, Denis Owalo last week. So now we just have one injured player, which is Francis Ojo. So yeah, the mindset is good. The last victory gave us confidence, but we still focus. We don't have too much confidence because we know that Tusker, we can beat anybody, but we can defeat against any team. So my work is to keep the guys focused and keep the guys humble.